Lance here with Future of Wealth. Let's go over what brokerage platform should I use. I'm going to go over TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, and then Robinhood. I personally use both, but if you're a serious trader, you like to day trade, swing trade, you want all the bells and whistles, Thinkorswim, I feel like is your best bet. Let's look at why. So Thinkorswim, you got the charts, you could customize them however you want. Line charts, bar charts. You can add indicators, you could draw on your charts. I have implied volatility down below. Look at all these studies, strategy sets. You can literally have whatever you want here. You can even custom make indicators. You can put multiple charts from the 5-minute to the monthly chart on. You can customize your watch list. Like, look how many watch lists I have with so many bells and whistles that you could create on it. You can even upload to Microsoft Excel. I mean, everything Thinkorswim has. But there is a catch. Again, even though they cut stock trade commissions, you still have to pay 65 cents. You could probably negotiate, get it lower, by the way, for an option contract out there. Now with Robinhood out there, let's pull up Robinhood. It's free. Stocks, options, they give you a free stock. It's usually a $5 stock. Just a little heads up out there. But on Robinhood, it's very basic. You have your watch list, you could do cryptos on it. I personally don't touch them. They give you some news, but it's a little slower. It's web-based, which I like using just because I'm usually by the computer. And then they have it where you can go on your cell phone as well, which is pretty cool. But in my opinion, it's a little slow. The data, it's a little slower than Thinkorswim. You can't see time and sales, which I'm a big options trader. I want to look at all the option stats. I want to see time and sales. You can't do scans on it. But Robinhood, again, it's free out there, so you have to weigh in that out there. But in my opinion, Thinkorswim, it has everything every day. I got my toss up, all the data I need to trade, especially if you trade options. Let me know what brokerage platform you use, Thinkorswim or Robinhood, my top picks.